Hello everyone and welcome to Cat Mountain. Today we are going to be riding the trails out here, previewing them in a downhill course preview format, one trail at a time. Hopefully get you ready for your next ride at Cat Mountain or your next race. Now without further ado, let's get to riding. All right, everyone's out here about to hit up Cat Mountain DH. Everyone's favorite trail on the mountain. Let's go get it. All right, dropping in DH. Watch out right there, kind of flat corner, super tight. Going into this big rock roll. Kind of like to go inside or outside back there. Whatever you can do quickest. Scoot around that, kind of jump into it. Now we're coming up on the famous L drop. Just kind of go into a little slow, it's a little bit of a flat drop. Hit that berm, go around that jump, it just slows you down. Loose that jump. Loose this jump. Kind of watch out here. Super chunky into a big G out. All right, and then super off camber right there into the whale tail. Kind of go into it slow, don't pedal, boom. And there it is.